Welcome to our hybrid aquaponic hydroponic garden that was built in a linear design using approximately 35 feet of 4-inch PVC. In our garden, we have successfully, sustainably, and symbiotically cultivated lettuce, celery, kale, shadow benny, and of course, side. Our first lettuce harvest remarkably started by the 4th week after planting, thus allowing a new rotation of seedlings to be planted right after. A major hurdle that we faced during our second crop cycle was nutrient deficiencies such as chlorosis. As such, I engineered a hybrid aquaponic hydroponic system that enabled me to isolate the plant beds from the fish and boost the crops with essential nutrients in the form of magnesium sulfate, Nutrex, and chelated iron. These were not originally available from the fish waste. A cocktail would then be mixed and introduced through one of the seedling holes. By shutting off the system flow via 2 gate valves, the plants would be allowed a 24-hour period for sufficient nutrient intake. We also started employing a non-toxic means of active pest control for whiteflies and aphids by using grease-coated yellow cups, and also systemic control by interplanting sulfur-secreting bulbs like scythe. Thank you all for viewing, and we hope you all enjoyed our entry. Be safe, guys.